This was bound to happen. It's confusing doing a weekly video and trying to keep track of which week I'm on. Turns out this is actually week 30, and I just did a whole video saying it's week 29. Things happen. I also did the thumbnail last week saying week 28. So I gotta fix that too. So watch the video where I'm really talking about week 30. So please excuse me for that. Just realize we're all human, and that's why I need to write this in my planner. Because let's just look and see what I did. What did I write in here for this week? I think I wrote week 29. Okay, so excuse me for messing up the week, but the content's still the same. And likewise, I said that the postman was tardy. So after I have done the whole video, edited it, downloaded it, got it ready to go, the postman came. So definitely be sure to be subscribed and all the things, because next week I will open this up with you and we can go over and review all these cute stickers that I got from Planner Kate for the book bound. So without further ado, let's get started with what I already filmed and knowing that there's some bloopers. It's week 29, and instead of planning in the horizontal, we are going forward, or I am going forward with the vertical weekly. This is a Monday start book bound. This is a new planner that just came out in April. It has a July 1st start date. So this is new to Laurel Denise. It's a soft cover, and they discounted it because they're working on I think the cover, and then getting all the sort of kinks out of this being a new planner that they're offering. I have this pencil pouch, which you can put on like this. And so you could take your pens and highlighters, whatever you like to put in here, pencils or whatever, with you, and look how thin it is, isn't that great? With your planner. I think I need a new one because this one matches so much better with the blue, this like pretty blue in this pencil pouch. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be shopping some more with Laurel Denise. If you want anything from Laurel Denise, I do have a discount code. It's linked down below, so check that out. I am an affiliate, so I have a link as well for you, and you can go shopping with that. This is so good. I think the only thing that I'm missing from this planner is the habit tracker. And if you've been here for all of these videos, you'll know it took me a long time to get into using the habit tracker. But I got really good at using it the month of June and some of July before I moved in here. So I'm missing that. So I think I need to find a good sticker to add that in each week, because I kind of like marking that off. I was going to come on today and share sort of an unboxing of all the stickers that I just purchased for the book bound, but the postman has not arrived. And this is a Friday. I'm filming this Friday. I normally film on Sundays, but we are going to be away and over the weekend and a little bit of next week. So I wanted to get this video done and up for its posting on Monday. So next week I will show you the stickers that I got, and I'll probably lay them in then, because I'm going to be away all next week, or most of next week. There's nothing really to lay in here as far as appointments and things like that. So I thought I would just quickly turn this around with you. I'll do the regular, just put the stickers down so you can see what it looks like for now. And then next week, I'll do an unboxing of what I found. And I think that's it. So let's get into planning my vacation week in my book bound. Like always, if you want to skip ahead, I'll put a marker and you can skip me putting down the stickers, and I'll meet you for a wrap up at the other end. So I'll see you there. If you're new to my planning videos, I have been using the Planner Kate stickers pretty much all the way since, I want to say, February. And these weekly stickers right here, these ones right here, are part of the horizontal standard stickers that Planner Kate does for Laurel Denise. And so I already purchased these right here, and I am reusing them or using them here because I actually like that they're kind of small in here. I didn't have them before because I was trying to do 2 different weeks and 2 different planners, and I decided to stick with just the book bound. So for this week, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the same weekly horizontal, standard horizontal. This is Laurel Denise standard horizontal U7 stickers. And I'm going to use these same ones in here. I don't have a place for these right now. I'm sure I could figure it out, maybe down at the bottom. Maybe here, if I should move this up, sorry. Maybe I could use these down here along the bottom. I don't know. I haven't figured, here they are too. I haven't figured out how to use those. But let's get these down, at least for now. And I'll be quiet while I do that. And then we'll see what other trouble I get into or what other stickers I decide to do. I do really like using my Laurel Denise tweezers. I did keep the sleeve on them right here because I don't want to poke myself in my pencil case. So let's use that and get these put down. I think that's one of my quickest videos yet. Another question that came up, and I had a comment here on YouTube last week, was adding stickers making the book heavier, thicker, and all that. And it does, it really does. If you're adding a lot of stickers, you'll find that you get more, it gets thicker and wider and all the things. And I did find that with this, with my horizontal, that adding all these stickers up here, it definitely gives it some more, thickness or whatever, fullness, I guess you would say. But so far, I'm not really sure. It's different because that's a ring binder, and it's okay to add more layers to the ring binder, or because this is a book, I haven't seen that yet because I haven't used that many stickers, but I can see that that could happen. The other thing that I did, and I don't know if you saw it in the previous videos that I've done, is I added the tab sticker right here on the monthly. I didn't add it up here, but that's something that you could do as well. And then again, that would add more thickness to the pages. I only did 2 of those. I did July right here, and then I added one for August right here because I knew the colors that I was going to use for those. I know, I'm just like one of those things where I don't want to put everything down until I kind of have an idea of the color and what stickers I'm going to be using for the month. But I figured when I was starting with this planner in July, I had already kind of figured out what I was going to use, which Planner Kate stickers I wanted to use in this one for August. So I thought, I'll just double up and use some of the stickers in each of the planners. And so that's what I'm kind of doing. I'm gonna reuse, or not reuse, but use the stickers I was planning for the horizontal for August and use them in here. And I don't know if, like, for some reason I was able to take some of the stickers from the other one. I pulled it off and put it in here. And then I also did, which I showed last week, I took these stickers from August and put them up here. But as far as the making it heavier or thicker, it is a concern if you're worried about having too much in your planner. But I think it's kind of fun because when you go through here and you see the fun stickers of the washi, it makes it kind of, it highlights the day and it makes things stand out at you. I have been using my highlighters to highlight things, and then I've been using the thin washi tapes. And so the washi tape that I've been using that I really like are these ones right here. I have linked all these below. So these are tape dispensers that have thin washi, like you can see, they're thinner. And I like these because they're not so thick. Now I have seen other people, women, using the washi tape along here and covering this up and doing things in different places or filling it with stickers. But I like the kind of lightly decorated versus the so much decoration. It's just a personal preference for me. So whatever you like and whatever works best for you, definitely do it. But my biggest piece of advice, I keep seeing these questions in the Facebook group, is, you know, how do you plan out, or what do you do? And I don't want to mess up my planner. I was the same way. I didn't want to mess up my planner. I barely wanted to write in it. Just take it a week at a time. Get in there and put things in there. Even with this planner right here, I kind of had stage fright the first time I opened it, and it was July 1st. I was like, what am I gonna put in here? How am I gonna use it? I've been so used to the other planner that I didn't want to actually mess this up. So I'm at fault for that as well, or as nervous as maybe you are about messing up your planner. But it's meant to be messy and it's meant to be used. And I keep telling myself over and over again, like just write in it, scratch things out, cross things out. It's meant to be a useful tool and not something that you just look at on your desk or wherever you keep your planner. I will say decorating it is really fun. And especially if you find stickers that you love that work with the month or what's going on in your life, it is really fun to decorate your planner. So that's it. That's all I got today. This is a very quick planning video. Thank you so much for being with me today. I will be back next week, and hopefully I'll be able to show you the stickers that I purchased for August for my book bound, because it's coming up really fast and I wanted to lay some things in here so that you can see what it looks like, but also you can see what might work for you as well. I pretty much only bought Planner Kate, but I went down a rabbit hole of looking at all different sizes and styles and different things. And so hopefully that would help you as well. So definitely, if you've not hit the like and subscribe, do that, because you'll get notified when next week's video goes up, and then you'll be able to see the stickers that I found and all that. So yeah, so thanks so much. Have a great day. Thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you next week for week 30. Oh my God, I can't believe it.